More pressure has been applied to President Cyril Ramaphosa to take a decision, this time concerning the appointment of a board of the SABC. Media Monitoring Africa is asking the Constitutional Court for an order declaring that the President has failed to fulfill this obligation diligently and without delay, and further directing the President to do so without delay. The organization says it wrote letters to the President, with the final one giving the President a deadline of the 17th of February to appoint the board, which according to the organization yielded no results, thus forcing it to turn to the highest court in the land.
We were given an assurance in a letter that the President would appoint the board. I think it was in early February, and then the President didn't. So we wrote again to the President and said, please appoint the board, give us written reasons as to why the board has not been appointed. We received no written reasons to that. We gave the President another deadline saying, please appoint by the 17th of February, or give us written reasons. Or if you don't, we will have no choice but to go to court.
In response to the court action, the presidency defended the delay in the appointment of SABC board members. It says it's not due to the dereliction of duty on the part of the president, adding that once the candidate shortlist was submitted to the president, there were issues that were identified as being misaligned with the Act, and clarity had to be sought with the National Assembly. Presidential spokesperson Vincent Magwenya previously clarified the issues.
One of those issues is the provision of additional names over and above the 12 shortlisted candidates. There were 3 other names that were provided, and the President has sought clarity as to the legal validity of those names, because there is no provision on the Act with respect to provisional appointments to the board.
However, the organization says it is in the dark about the delays.
Now we're hearing that it's a misalignment with certain legal issues. Well, what is this misalignment and what are those legal issues? This shouldn't be something that's taking place in the dark.
The organization submits that the matter is urgent, arguing that this matter raises the question of whether the President has the power to reject any of the appointees chosen by the National Assembly. Kani Mapanga, SABC News, Johannesburg.